What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, let's talk through how to solve the AirPod Max. One side is working and the other side is not. So after upgrading your AirPod Max, if you found out that your maybe left side or right side is working, or maybe one of the side is not working, then you want to watch the entire video to learn quick tricks to solve your problem. Now, this problem can happen either for hardware or software. Now, the very first thing that you're going to have to take a look at is the charge. Now, this is a very common thing. First, all you have to do is just go ahead and grab your charger and connect it with your AirPod Max for about 20 to 30 minutes. After that, go ahead and check your problem, whether it is working or not. Let's say you charge your device, but still you have the same problem. Then I'm going to show you a couple of settings that you want to turn on and turn off to solve your problem. Now, first, make sure your devices are properly connected with your iPhone. Now, grab your iPhone and open up your settings, and you want to scroll down to Bluetooth. And here you have to tap on this eye option, or just Apple's AirPod Max is connected. Now you have to scroll down here. First, you have to check out this option called Automatic Head Detection. Turn this features off. And now you have to scroll down here and check out this option called Personal Spatial Audio. Now if you tap on there, if you already have set this up here, so you have to tap on Stop Using Personalized Spatial Audio. Now tap Stop Using it. Now you gotta reset up your spatial audio with your AirPod Max, and after that, check whether your problem is solved or not. Alright, so right after that, just go ahead and check your problem, whether it is still there or not. So let's say you did that, but still have a problem with your AirPod Max. Now all you want to do is you want to head over to settings on your iPhone here. You want to scroll down to Bluetooth, and here you want to tap on this eye option from there. You want to scroll all the way down here and simply tap on Forget This Device, tap Forget Device. And now you want to just leave your iPhone and you want to grab your AirPod Max. So let me just grab my AirPod Max from here. Now you want to just do one little work from the top. So here, as you guys can see, there's a two button, the digital crown button and the noise cancellation button. So you want to just press and hold both buttons unless the color actually changes from the bottom. So I'll just press those buttons together. 3, 2, 1, go. And keep it holding for about 15 seconds. Alright, so as you guys can see, my color has changed. Now let go of this button and now just reconnect it with your iPhone to see your problem. So after just reconnecting your device, your problem should be solved. However though, if you still have problem with your AirPod Max, that could mean it has a problem with the hardware. In that case, you want to take your AirPod Max to the Apple Care to solve your problem. So these are all the processes that you guys can follow to solve your problem. Hope you find this video useful. If you think so, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Peace out.